Hi folks, Greg, your friendly garden guy right here at Willow Ridge Garden Center in the water gardening department. You've heard me talk before about the automatic dosing systems. I called it the IV for your pond. Now, that was a couple years ago when I talked about that. We still have those, but guess what? They've revamped them. They've made them even better than they were before. The control unit is now under the lid instead of on top of the lid, which makes that a dual purpose. The control module is inside the lid, so it doesn't get any UV rays, it doesn't get any weather, so it does the control module doesn't get all goobered up with the weather. Kind of, some of the older ones would get, discolored and you couldn't really read them very well. And plus it made it hard to cover up. You had to use different things to try to cover up. They're completely flat now on the top so that it's easier to cover, completely flat. The control module is inside the lid now instead of on top of the lid. And instead of the little bags, we have actual hard plastic dosing bottles that fit down in. Okay, so this is the revamped model of the automatic dosing system, the IV for your pond. Now here's another kicker. The regular size one, like you've seen, will treat all the way up to a 2,250 gallon pond. We have bigger ones now that will treat from 2,000 all the way up to as big as you want, and it can hold not only the regular bottles, it can hold 2 of the regular bottles or 1 of the gallon size bottles. Now, why do you say you would want to use 2 bottles instead of 1 gallon size bottle? Well, folks, let me tell you, if you choose the bigger system, if you have a bigger pond and you choose the bigger system, you can also get an add-on kit. It's a controller that fits within the lid where you can put two different products in the same container and control it to have one product do part of the time and one product do the rest of the time. So if you were using Maintain on a regular basis, but you wanted to add a separate thing, instead of taking out the bottle like we used to do on the old ones, you still have to do that in the small ones. If you want to switch from Maintain to Clear to Clean, you have to take out the bottles. In the bigger ones, you can put a bottle of Maintain on one side and a bottle of Clean or Clear on the other, and have your controller switch between dosing. How cool is that? How cool is that? An IV for your pond that you can put 2 different products in and switch between doses. Now, this is all new, all brand new stuff coming in, brand new bottles. Folks, we have the stuff for your pond right here at Willow Ridge Garden Center. This is Greg, your friendly garden guy, saying get your hands wet. It's good for you.